Yes, this is smart money way to trade boom and crash. First of all, you look for immediate move in the market. That is, if you are trading crash, you look for immediate long time buying in the market, and if you are trading boom, you look for immediate long time selling in the market. Then, what are you going to do? First of all, you go to daily time frame to look for the market structure. That is the direction of the market, and we can see here that the market is creating higher low, which give us the conclusion that the market is in uptrend, right? So we are going to look for buy on 5 minute time frame. Then how do we conclude on buying on 5 minute time frame? After picking out the move in the market, the long time buying in the market, then you know that all this candle and imbalance candle, you understand, on an imbalance candle, then you wait for a spike to complete a circle on this particular move. Then you join the buy. So and then what can we see here? The spike successfully complete its cycle on that move. If you stroke back, if you squeeze your screen, you will see that this is the move and this is the buy, the spike. The spike has completed the circle here, then it has showed that it continue the trend. So that is where you join the trend. You understand? That is when I enter the buy for this particular market. Then I'm going to pause this video and come back later to show you how long before I close this trade and how much I make from this particular trade. This is a very effective way to trade boom and crash market. It's called smart money way. You understand? People that close with SMC or ICT will understand what I'm saying, but I'm going to explain the details once I come back. So let's leave this trade to run, then I will come back to this video. Guys, you can see how much I've made. So I'll be closing the trade. The reason why is because pick out this supply zone. There's a supply zone here which I can never neglect. This is a supply zone here. So once market gets here, there's a possibility of spike happening. So I don't want to risk that. So I'll be taking out my profit from this level. You understand? So assuming there's no supply zone there, I will be holding the trade till it gets to this supply zone here. You understand? So I will want the price to fill up all the imbalance here. But this supply zone, anything can happen in the market. Market may decide to change trend from that area. So I don't want to be part of people that market will take out. So I will be closing the trade at this level. So guys, I will drop a video after this video to explain in details how these strategies work. So I wish you happy trading and always trade responsible.